आपका लिविंग एरिया जहां पर आप सोफा प्लेस कर सकते हैं. So this is the kitchen area with two parallel platforms. This is the master bedroom where you can place the king size bed. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we'll be doing sample flat tour of Nakshatra Asta by JSP Group located at Madhuban, Vasai East. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location and this is the actual tower where construction is fully on swing. By 5 to 6 months the construction will be fully done. Now showing you the surrounding in the neighborhood. This road leads to the Vasai railway station. Now talking about the project overview, but before that let me tell you what is Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price and 100% guarantee. Unlike other current listing platforms whereby if you just do an inquiry, your number gets shared with multiple brokers, resulting in lots and lots of call. Well, Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home right now with your favorite developer through Housey. Now talking about the project overview. This project has 2 towers, G plus 33 residential floors having premium residencies of 1 and 2 BHK. We have Jodi options also available. Now talking about the connectivity, this project is located at Madhuban, Vasai East. Now talking about the entire connectivity, Capital Mall is 1.8 km, Vasai railway station is 1.5 km, D-Mart is 1.5 km, all international school, colleges, hospital is within the radius of 500 meters. Also talking about the amenities part. This project has 20 plus luxurious amenities with likes of 5-story clubhouse, gymnasium, kids play area, multi-purpose court and many more. Now we'll be checking out the sample flat of 1 BHK. Come on, let's come with me. So as you can see, I'm standing at the actual tower and this is the actual lobby of the sample flat. Now moving ahead, we'll be doing the sample flat tour of 1 BHK for 16 square feet carpet area. This is the entrance. As you come ahead, ये आपका एंट्रेंस एरिया है जहाँ पर आप शू रैक प्लेस कर सकते हैं. मूविंग अहेड, लेट मी टेक यू टू द एंटायर लिविंग एंड डाइनिंग एरिया. ये होगा आपका लिविंग एरिया जहाँ पर आप सोफा प्लेस कर सकते हैं, अच्छे से टेलीविजन प्लेस कर सकते हो, एसी प्लेस कर सकते हो. नाउ टेकिंग यू अहेड टू द नाइस iron railing with a nice wide window which give you ventilation, serene living and also a nice ventilation. With a nice beautiful view, iron railing with 4-sided cupboard. Now taking you to the dining area. This is a nice and a spacious dining area where 5 to 6 people can sit and have lunch and dinner with their family members. Now taking you to the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area with 2 parallel platforms. This is the lower cabinet where you can put so many things. Also this is the wash basin. Now showing you the window side with the iron railing and dry space for the washing machine जहाँ पर आप अपने अच्छे से कपड़े सुखा सकते हैं with a nice view, mountain view, city view that gives you a nice feeling. And also this is the place for the refrigerator to keep. Now showing you the common washroom. So this is the common washroom with anti-skid tiling, vetified tiling and also CP-centric high-end fittings as part of your furnishing. With extra space for the storage. Now let me take you to the bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides you. It gives you actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, payment schemes, EMI schedules, 360-degree location tour, all these under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule a site visit soon. Now I'll be taking you to the bedroom. This is the master bedroom where you can place the king size bed, the television on the front and an AC. Now I would love to show you the wide and spacious your balcony area with iron railing, 2-sided cupboard with a nice city view again. Now showing you the space that is for your wardrobe, जहाँ पर आप अपने सारे beautiful dresses, सारी चीजें अच्छे से रख सकते हैं. Now let me show you to the attached washroom. This is the attached washroom with anti-skid tiling, with CP-centric fittings, designer vetified tile as part of your furnishing. So everyone, this was the entire sample flat tour of 1 BHK 416 square feet carpet area, Nakshatra Asta, that is developed by JSP Group, located at Madhuban, Vasai East. So this was the entire sample flat. अगर आपने ऐसे बहुत सारे प्रोजेक्ट देखे हैं या देखना चाहते हैं, please mention it in the comment box. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Housey. Do not forget to visit to the website www.housey.com. Thank you so much.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.